All right, let's try this one using conditional proof. Number 20. We're trying to get a conditional. So of course, the strategy that might be good is to assume the left side, try to get the right side, x, which will allow us to get the conditional. If A, then X, by conditional proof. So let's go ahead and do that strategy. We'll start our box, assume A for the purposes of conditional proof. And now we're going to try to get X. How are we going to get X? X does not occur anywhere in any of the premises. So we're probably going to have to use addition, right? That's a good way to get something out of nothing. Well, let's see where we can go. We have A. This is the only place A occurs. Let's go ahead and use 1 and 4 together by modus ponens. And that's actually going to give us something nice. B and C, which notice we have the B, and so we can do modus ponens, and C, we can do modus ponens. So we could do that. But first we have to simplify 5, of course. So 5 simplification gives us B, and we can get C from 5 simplification. And now with 6 and 2, we can do modus ponens. B, if B then D, so we can get D. And we can do something similar, 7, 3. Modus ponens is actually going to give us not D. Interesting, we have D and not D. That's the basis of a contradiction, right? Okay, we've gone about as far as we can go with our premises here, just using straightforward inferences. We still need to get X. What can we do? Well, a good way to get, because we need to get X by itself, right? We don't want to get, say, B or X, right? That wouldn't be what we need. We need to get X all by itself. So here's a nice little trick. If you have a statement and the negation of a statement, which is basically going to be a contradiction, that's going to set you up to be able to get anything you want. Anything falls from a contradiction. Here's one way you can do it. The thing you want to get, you want to add to the statement letter. You'll add D or X. So that's 8 addition. And then in order to get X, since you have the negation of the same thing, D, you can use disjunctive syllogism. 10, 9, disjunctive syllogism. D or X, not D, therefore X. Awesome. We got something completely new out of nothing, and it wasn't trapped inside a disjunction. You can do that when you have a contradiction. So, following our strategy, we've gotten the X, so we write the first line in our box, arrow, last line in our box. 4 through 11, conditional proof. And we've got it. So that's a good trick to remember. If you're trying to get something out of nothing, and it's not, the thing you're trying to get, an X, is not a disjunction, you can get it if you have a contradiction. Do this. Just add the thing you're trying to get, and then you can use the negation of the D to get the X with disjunctive syllogism. Awesome.